I'm going to give you an updated house tour. So come on. From the previous video, as I said, this is the living room. Nothing really much has changed there. It's just still the same. Awesome, yeah. The unit is still there with everything on and nothing really much here. The last time I did a tour around the house, I think I showed this stand from a distance, but I did not really zoom in. So this is how it looks when you get closer to it. I arrange the things in. Once in a while, I just then change things around, and that is all. Nothing much. I also have some vases down there that I'm going to paint. So yep. When we go to the TV side there, I did a bit of changes. I took there was a black kind of vase or glass there with pampers in it. I took it off and brought that white one with that kind of brown or light looking pampers. I placed the other one there in the hallway on that unit. You can see it in the back there. Yeah, that was from one of the bottles of my drinks, and I used for that pampers. I sprayed it and used it for that. Let's go. You got to get some strong legs to climb the stairs. So when you come upstairs, we just enter the house. When you come upstairs now, I've done a DIY. I think you've seen it in the previous video. Go and check it out. I put a carpet runner on the stairs here, and then when we go to this side, you can see a panel there. I did another video on that one too. Please check that one too out. And then I put some frames like pictures or up just to decorate the place up because it was a bit too boring, I would say. Yeah, so now it look really good. It looks really good when you come in from the door. I think that hallway entry decor, that little cabinet with the shoes, you know about that one too. I've done a video on that one too. I'll link all the videos in or under this one, and so please do check them out. And when we come to this side, so coming up the stairs, this is the landing. So here there was this mirror sitting on its own, like just so boring and tired. So I decided to do something like just put these red strips I use for one of my bathroom decor. So I put it at the side and then just hang my like heart or caps there. And this was from AliExpress. Yeah, so just a little bit of a decor just to put the whole place into like a organized state. So that is it. And the other time I showed you, there was a room just right here when you enter the house. This one is occupied at the moment, so it's shut. I don't want to open it for you to see. Yep. And then as I've shown this one before, this is the bathroom. That's the bathroom. I've done a DIY on this one too before, and I'm yet to complete my DIY that I started on this because I'm going to paint. I've not decided which paint to use yet, but something very natural and like, you know, like the one maybe I use in the kitchen. Also, I may use one of those just to like just brighten up the whole place and look really good, and maybe hang some pictures. I had some pictures there before when I did the DIY stuff, but then I took it off because one of them fell down and broke. I put it at the wrong place and water was kind of like messing some of them up, so well, I took it off. So nothing really has changed here too. I think the next DIY that is going to be on my list is this bedroom, which is my main bedroom. It's in a mess right now. Nothing has been done to it. Now that it's very hot summer, I took out of my duvet too, so the whole place look messy. Anyway, I've changed the curtains that are there. They used to be like a bit of gray and like brown curtains there. I changed them, and the unit is still the same. Nothing has changed, so that's the new project. All right, so up here in the kitchen, do you remember this DIY I did on the side of the kitchen? When you enter, this is the dining table. As I said before, that was the table I was complaining about that is too big, and I'm going to change because it's like so much occupy a lot of space. So that one is still there. Sometimes I do it like round to be small, and depending anyway. So that's the different thing that has changed in the kitchen. Down here I put some plants there and painting, and then the paneling and everything. I put this big clock there. That's the new thing that has gone into the kitchen. And when I turn to this side, it's like everything is still same. Those strips, I think I'm going to take them off because after putting them there, it seems like not a good idea if my husband doesn't like it. So so I'll take it off, and I think so far that is it. Oh no, there's one more thing left. So when we come back, this is the biggest DIY I like ever. So this is the small bathroom in the house. If you've seen if you've really gone through my home videos, you'll see that I've done a DIY on this bathroom, where I put a panel down here and I painted it and did some little bit of stuff. So this is also in downstairs. This is in the kitchen, right at the side of the kitchen. Yeah, that was a downstairs toilet, and this is how it looks. I think I love how it came. It's like appeared, and you know, this frames and all that, it gives the whole bathroom a very cool and warm, welcoming space, and I just like how it looks. So I think so far, yeah, on the dining table I have I put this bottle is from IKEA. It's like a vase from IKEA with a little bit of a flower in it, and just to decorate it. And the window, I have the same vase sitting there. I put in this one from AliExpress, about £1 or £2. All the things here I have in the house are really cheap, but the way I style them, you think they are really expensive. They are not. Okay, so that's the new things there. And anyway, thank you so much for watching this updated home tour video. I hope you've enjoyed it, and all the DIYs I've done has inspired you to also go and do your own things this summer. You know, it's so hot out there, and sometimes just being indoors is so boring. You can just get yourself around and be doing, you know, what you love, and painting and changing things around. I like that a lot. So yeah, I hope you do enjoy today's video, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.